This is a Red Hat 8.5 server, and in this video we will discuss how to exclude a package while installing using the yum command. So we can use two methods, that is, while using the yum update or yum install command we can directly exclude a package or multiple packages we can exclude, or we can use the yum.conf file to exclude a package. So before starting this video, friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Now let us start the video. Let me show you first yum. Here I will take the telnet package as an example. Here you can see using the yum install with telnet, it is showing me the telnet package to install. Press N to go out. Then we will modify the yum.conf file to exclude the telnet package. Config yum.conf file available in /etc. Use the vi command to edit that. Go to the end of the file and add exclude is equal to telnet. Save the configuration. Now again on the same command yum install telnet. You can see no unable to find a match telnet. That means using the yum.conf we can exclude a package while using the yum command to install the package. Now you can ask me, if you want to exclude multiple packages, how you can mention? Here what I have to do? We have to give a space, then write the next package that you want to exclude. Let's say kernel. So this is the way we can add multiple packages to exclude using the yum.conf. We have to give one space between the packages. Okay. So let me comment this line using hash. We can comment. Now save the configuration. Use the yum install command. You can say again telnet package started by showing. So now we will use the exclude option with the yum command. Yum install or yum update. Let's say yum update minus exclude is equal to telnet. This is the second way we can exclude a package during update a package using the update packages using the yum. Okay. If you want to exclude multiple packages, here we have to use a comma, then kernel. This is the way we can use the exclude option with the yum update command. Clear? So friends, I hope this video is very helpful for you. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.